let's look at a negative 360 degrees. I'm going to start with my first angle ray, my initial side. If I went all the way around this counterclockwise, that's a positive 360. But I want a negative 360, so actually its terminating side is going to end on the same exact initial side. But I need my rotation to represent that negative 360. So now I'm going to go clockwise with that and use an arrow to show where I started or stopped and which direction I went. That represents the negative 360 degrees. So you need your rays for your angles and you need your rotation marks to show exactly which direction you went. So let's try this one. Negative 450. Well, think about anything over 360 degrees and determine how much more. So if I take 450 and subtract off a whole rotation of 360 degrees, I'm going to have 90 left over. So I'm going to start with my initial side. Because it's a negative, we know that we're going backwards, so I'm going to go around 360, but I need 90 more to get up to that 450. So I'm going to start here and go around and stop where I would be at 90 degrees and then draw my terminal side. So that rotation right there represents a full 360 and then 90 more in the negative direction. So let's look at this one, negative 180. Start with my initial side. A negative 180 means that I'm going to go backwards, or I'm going to go in this clockwise direction, and I'm going to stop at the negative 180. If I do 0, I start with my initial side, and I don't go anywhere. So that represents my 0. A negative 90, I start with my initial side. Negative 90 means I'm going to go backwards 90 degrees, which means I'm going to stop right there, and there's my terminal side. So these angle rotations, these rotation marks represent which direction, with the arrow, which direction to go, clockwise or counterclockwise, and then where you begin and where you end.